Hey, you seem a bit off today. Is everything okay?
Honestly, I've been going through a rough time lately.
I'm really sorry to hear that. Do you want to talk about what's been going on?
It's just a combination of things. Work has been overwhelming, and I've been feeling really drained.
That sounds tough. Have you been able to take any time for yourself to relax?
Not really. I've been so caught up in everything that I haven't had much of a break.
That's understandable, but it's important to take care of yourself too.
I know, I just feel like I'm drowning in responsibilities right now.
Is there anything specific that's been bothering you the most?
It's mostly the pressure to meet deadlines and the feeling that I'm constantly falling behind.
Have you talked to anyone at work about how you're feeling?
I've thought about it, but I'm worried they'll see me as incapable of handling my job.
I doubt that. They might actually appreciate your honesty and be willing to help you out.
Maybe. I guess I just don't want to seem like I'm not strong enough to handle it.
Asking for help doesn't make you weak, Jake. It shows that you care about doing your best.
You're right, Emma. I guess I just needed to hear that from someone else.
Anytime. You don't have to go through this alone, you know.
I've been struggling with learning English lately.
I completely understand. Learning a new language can be really challenging.
I feel like no matter how much I study, I still can't remember all the vocabulary.
Maybe you need to change your approach. Have you tried using flashcards or apps?
I've used some apps, but I get bored quickly and lose motivation.
I get that. Have you thought about watching movies or TV shows in English?
I have, but I find it hard to follow along without subtitles.
That's okay. Start with subtitles, and gradually try to watch without them as you get more comfortable.
That's a good idea. Do you think it will help improve my listening skills too?
Absolutely. It's one of the best ways to get used to how native speakers talk.
I guess it could be more fun than just reading textbooks.
Definitely. Plus, you'll pick up on slang and phrases that you wouldn't learn from a book.
I really want to be able to speak more fluently.
Practicing speaking with others is key. Have you joined any language exchange groups?
I haven't yet, but I've been thinking about it.
You should. Speaking with others will boost your confidence and help you improve faster.
That makes sense. I'll look into joining a group this week.
Great, don't be too hard on yourself. Progress takes time, and you're doing well.
Thanks. I needed to hear that. I'll keep trying and not give up.
That's the spirit. Just take it one step at a time, and you'll get there.
I will. Thanks for the encouragement, it really helps.
I'm trying to wean off coffee, but it's so hard.
I can imagine. How many cups were you drinking a day?
At least 3, sometimes 4 if it was a stressful day.
Wow, that's a lot. No wonder it's tough to cut back.
I know. I've switched to tea, but it's just not the same.
Tea is good, but it doesn't give you that same kick, does it?
Exactly. I miss that energy boost in the morning.
Maybe you could try slowly reducing the amount instead of stopping all at once.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. I've cut down to just 1 cup in the morning.
That's a good start. How's it going so far?
It's rough. I feel sluggish in the afternoon without my usual pick-me-up.
Maybe you could try other ways to boost your energy, like going for a quick walk?
That's a good idea. I might give it a try and see if it helps.
It might take some time for your body to adjust, but you'll get there.
I hope so. I just don't want to rely on coffee so much anymore.
That's understandable. Have you tried drinking more water instead?
Yes, I've been trying to stay hydrated. It helps a bit, but it's still tough.
Just hang in there. It's all about finding what works best for you.
Thanks. I appreciate the support.
Anytime. We're all trying to make healthier choices, right?
Absolutely. It's just a matter of staying motivated.
You've got this. Just take it one step at a time.
I can't believe you didn't cuss him out after what he said.
I wanted to, but I didn't want to make the situation worse.
I get it, but sometimes people need to be put in their place.
I know, but I thought staying calm would be better in the long run.
That's true, but he really crossed the line this time.
He did, and I'm still upset about it, but I'll talk to him later when I'm less angry.
You have more patience than I do. I would have said something right then and there.
Trust me, it wasn't easy to hold back. I was boiling inside.
Did anyone else notice what happened?
Yeah, a few people did, but they didn't say anything. I think they were just as shocked as I was.
He definitely needs to apologize. You don't deserve to be treated like that.
I agree. I'm planning to have a serious talk with him about it.
Good, you deserve to be respected, and he needs to understand that.
Thanks, Emma. I'm just trying to handle this in the best way possible.
I'm proud of you for keeping your cool. That takes a lot of strength.
I appreciate that. It's hard, but I know reacting with anger won't help.
You're right, but just know it's okay to stand up for yourself too.
I will. I just want to make sure I approach it the right way.
That's smart. If you need any support, I'm here for you.
Thanks, Emma. It means a lot to have you by my side.
Always. Let's figure out how to handle this together.
I think he's gone completely round the bend.
What do you mean? Is he really that bad now?
Yeah, he's been acting so strange lately. Yesterday, he started talking to the plants like they were his old friends.
Wow, that's not normal at all. Has he been under a lot of stress?
Definitely. But I didn't expect it to get this bad. He even believes that his cat is giving him life advice.
That's worrying. Do you think he needs professional help?
Honestly, I do. But he's convinced that nothing's wrong and that we're the ones who don't understand.
That sounds like he's really disconnected from reality. How long has he been like this?
It's been getting worse over the past few weeks. At first, it was just small things, but now it's like he's living in a different world.
We should probably get someone to check on him, maybe a therapist or even his family.
I agree. I just hope he'll be open to it and not push everyone away.
Sometimes, it takes a gentle approach. We need to show him that we're concerned because we care about him.
That's true. I'll talk to him and see if he'll agree to get some help.
Let me know if you need any support. It's a tough situation to handle alone.
Thanks. I'll keep you updated. I just hope we can reach him before it's too late.
Me too. It's hard to watch someone you care about lose touch with reality.
Yeah, it's really heartbreaking, but we'll do everything we can to help him.
Absolutely. He's lucky to have a friend like you looking out for him.
I just want him to be okay again. That's all that matters.
Please subscribe and see you soon.